What's up YouTube? Thomas back with another video. Look at this beautiful head of cauliflower. So good for you. I'll show you a couple recipes today how I use cauliflower. Coleslaw and cauliflower rice. Check it out if you like it. Experiment with other flavors. You know, you could do a Mexican rice thing or a jambalaya even. Experiment. All I do with this is I'll cut out the stem part, I guess you would call it. Make florets, so to speak, of the other. Then I'll just take this and I'll grate it on a cheese grater. Alright, just like that, nice and fine. And what we're going to do is we're just going to mix that with our favorite coleslaw dressing, or you can even make your own with a little sugar, vinegar, and mayonnaise. Instead of sugar, I'm going to try honey. Why not? Just for the hell of it. I've got raw honey. So I'm going to put about 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm just eyeballing this according to how much slaw material I'll have to make. So that was about 2 teaspoons. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, and a heaping teaspoon of mayonnaise. Give that a stir so it's nice and creamy. Alright, that's sweet and tangy. If it's not tangy enough or sweet enough, add a little bit of vinegar or sugar or honey. Now if you do use sugar, you're going to want to let it dissolve in the vinegar before you mix it with the mayonnaise. Okay, we're just going to throw our grated cauliflower stem in there. You can see that's shredded like coleslaw. And we'll just mix that around. It'll look dry in the beginning. After it sits though, it'll start releasing some of the juice from the cauliflower and it'll blend nicely. Alright, so we're just going to stick that in the fridge for a couple hours. To deal with the cauliflower florets, now you can steam, you know, and eat it like that. You could steam it and mash it. Mix it with potatoes. Very good. I like to just chop it up to about the size of. Alright, there we go. We got it all chopped up into rice-sized bits, and use it in any rice recipe. Alright, and then I have some that's that I chopped up a little finer. And if you have a food processor, that would be the way to go. Alright, we got some nice heat. For our wok, we're going to just make a little area for it to sit right on the firewood. Alright, we're just going to put the wok right on the logs. Actually, we're spanning the grill there with it. Got a little butter, olive oil, I would normally use peanut oil. I didn't have any, so that's what we got. So this is garlic, ginger, onions. Just gonna give that a toss. We're going to put the cauliflower right in there. Now this is still raw, not cooked at all, and it's gonna cook really quick. Give that a mix around. Tossing it around. The longer you cook it, the softer it'll get. So it's your individual preference. Okay, at this point we're going to hit this with some soy sauce, low sodium. Toss that around. Maybe a little more. To this, we're going to add some frozen peas. Give that a stir. Now you can pretty much add anything you want to this. Bean sprouts, carrots, of course pork, chicken. Alright, and I also have a little bit of scrambled egg here, seasoned. Gonna dump in there. Alright, very simple, very quick. Just cook it as long as you like, as far as how you like your rice, tender. Fried rice with cauliflower. That's cauliflower fried rice over an open fire in a cast iron wok. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.